front-wheel drive Formula 2 class, driving his 2-litre Volkswagen Golf GTI. But this isn't it. This is a diesel.
Come on, Tiff. Come and have a ride in this.
It's all right. I'll wait for the real one to come along.
Come on, you'll be really impressed.
I won't. I won't like it. I won't like it.
Come on, feel the noise.
Neil Simpson has been campaigning a turbo diesel Golf GTI for the past 2 years, and he took me round the Sweet Lamb rally stage to show me what it could do. And not even the abysmal Welsh weather could dampen his enthusiasm.
How much power's this diesel thing got then?
Yeah, this is 220 horsepower.
Yeah, but the petrol ones have got 280 horsepower.
Yeah, but where this engine really scores is it's got a tremendous amount of torque. The petrol engine doesn't have the same amount of torque as this car, by any stretch of the imagination.
Yeah, but more torque, what's that going to do for you?
Well, we're going up a hill now, and this will really put the power down as we go up here, in order to maximise the traction that the engine's got.
There's a big drop over there, by the way, Neil.
Yeah, we're not going over there, don't worry.
There's no revs, though. It's all a bit quiet.
Yeah, no, this engine only revs to 4,400 RPM. The equivalent petrol engine will rev to 9,000. You can change up at 4,400 RPM and it will still pull. It's because of the tremendous torque.
So it's a very different characteristic to drive.
Oh, tremendously so, yeah.
Bit of a smell around here. Those diesel fumes don't go away, do they?
It's a very green car. It's the greenest car in the British Rally Championship at the moment.
But he pongs, though.
This year, Neil contested that British Rally Championship in a class set up specifically to allow diesels to compete. His was the only diesel to enter, so it won. But using half the fuel of his petrol-head opponents, he took a superb second place overall on the all-tarmac Manx Rally in September.
All right, Neil, I'm impressed. OK, well, can I have a go now?
I'm not so sure about that, Tiff. You racing drivers are a little bit out of your depth on these kind of terrain. Maybe we'll go and have a cup of tea or something and we can have a chat about it.
Yeah, nice idea. Cup of tea. Good idea, Neil.
There's one born every minute.
Tiff?
Now, what did Neil say? What was the old change up early? 4,500 revs. That's ridiculous. I'm in 5th gear already. Now up the hill. Change early. That's got bogged down. Now that's tricky, you see. I changed up just a bit too soon. The problem is, I'm terrified of over-revving it, but you get a bit of wheel spin, and then you change up, and it drops it too low in the revs. Oh God, there's that jump around it. He takes in 5th gear, or I don't want to take it in about 4th gear, I think. Ooh, whoa. So a very different driving technique, and yet a very impressive performance. And it's slushy, but I just love this rallying game. Even in a diesel. Mind you, having said that, it doesn't quite have the same sensual pleasures of 8,000 or 9,000 revs. The more revs you've got, the more power you've got. It's a sort of bit of an acquired taste, I guess.
Diesels may still be both smelly and noisy, but there's no doubt that with new state-of-the-art turbo diesel technology, they're no longer an embarrassment in the performance stakes. And Volkswagen have now produced a trendy new 6-speed Golf GT TDI to make the most of all that torque.